Hello, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix an exclude no index tag from Google Console. So when you get the message exclude no index tag from Google Console, you can either get it via email or in Google Search Console itself. The way to go about fixing it is, let's go into Google Search Console, which is open here. Select Pages. We can see that this says we've got 512 for 4 reasons that are not indexed, and we've got 21 indexed. So 512 sounds like a lot, but because it's only 4 reasons, to me it sounds as if there'll be a lot of duplicates. So let's scroll down. If we scroll down, we can see exclude by no index tag. So what we want to do is, if we go in here where it says it got 455, and if we go in here and scroll down, we can see that it's got a lot of them all the way to 455, but we can also see that most of these looks like duplicates information to me. So what we can do is we can try copy from here to there just before the equal sign. We can copy the equal sign as well, but just before the equal sign is fine. So now we can also see what the exact error is when we open this in the new tab. So we can see that it's actually broken. I think what Google Search Console has done is try to attach something else along during the crawl. So we don't need that. What we need to do is, first of all, let's go into the back end of the application. So at the back end, let's go to post or pages. Let's go to post. Here we can see if you have Yoast SEO installed, then you should be able to see this tab here. And in here, you can just select post no index and then select the filter. We can see that that's all fine. It's not in here. If we go to pages and we do the same thing, post no index, that looks clean as well. So it's not coming from any pages or post from our application. So it's Google crawling that's dragged that along. So what do we need to fix this? So what we need to do to fix this is, we can now go back to our Google Search Console, and in here, remember we copied that pattern from here to just before the equal sign. Now what we want to do is we want to say click on the remove menu on the left hand side, and in here under the remove menu we can say new request, and we're pasting the URL that we copied. Now you have two options. It says remove this URL only, remove all URL with this prefix. I'm going to remove everything with that prefix. So what we then do is we click on next and we say submit request. And that's it, processing your request. That's it. Once it's done processing, Google will inform you again and you can have a look. Otherwise, everything will be fine, working as it should be. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button. And if this is your first time or you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. This helps me to do more videos like this and probably even better ones going forward. Thank you.